The Food Service Exchange presents.
Nice consistency through the center.
Nothing up the sleeve. So you just use that as an opener.
Yep, gives me all the consistency.
Yep. Going for the fastest pizza in the world. Looks like we're falling behind on the time, but this quality is what really matters.
He's an artist.
Yeah.
You can't rush an artist. No one told Michelangelo to hurry up when he was doing the ceiling, right?
I think they did.
Probably. Come on, Mike. It's taking
Come
you
on,
forever.
yeah.
Let's go. I'm not paying overtime here. I'm paying for the job. Let's get it done.
Daniel carefully walks over the Univex dome. Okay. Pushes a button. Ah, it's rotating. Right in front of the fire. Okay. How many turns does it usually take?
Just about a minute and 30, but I, as you can see, sped the rotation up when it's actually doing the cooking program.
Okay.
So it gets a really nice even cook without having to rotate the pizza inside of the oven. And you'll start to see the crust start to puff up without having to hand form it due to the spritzer. And you see it rise up. But we've got about 58 seconds, so probably another 5 rotations or so at this speed.
Okay.
And then we'll check it at a minute 30, and hopefully we're done.
Okay, good. About just about a minute 30, you should be able to do that thing. Have you ever mapped this thing out?
Temp-wise?
Yeah. No, I mean as far as well, that's an interesting question. Yeah, let's go with that one. What's the map?
You know, at the deck, we monitor the deck. I like to cook around 640, 650 at the deck, but that puts us over 1,000 degrees at the top of the dome.
Yeah.
I've gone up to about 750 before at the deck. It'll probably go hotter, but I find that it's not a real benefit. You start to burn things, and things cook too quick and raw in the middle. So it's really a trade-off of what kind of pizza you're trying to produce and how much time you're going to save.
If you were being hit by the world's biggest rush, how many pizzas do you think you could do in an hour?
I mean, at a minute 30, we can do about 5 pizzas in this size oven at once.
Okay, well that's good.
So that was the alarm that just went off.
Wow.
And, you know, without touching it inside of the oven or anything.
1 minute 30.
Yep.
Daniel Saikas, art by Daniel Saikas. Credit to the Univex Dome from Italy with American service. The network of Univex makes it work. And here she is, Univex. Let's hear what it sounds like.